Shiba Eternity set historically record for Shiba Inu Day after the release date. Big time news for Shiba. Let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Let me highlight this information right here. Shiba Eternity by Shiba Inu and PlaySide Studios has already managed to bring obvious marketing success to its creators. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. With the number of SHIB holders increasing by 2,020 a day after its launch. Now this brings the number of addresses holding at least one Shiba Inu token to a new all-time high of 2.1 million holders, over 2.1 million holders, according to 𝐒𝐴. Now, check this out. This is indirectly confirming by the number of downloads. Look at this, Shiba Eternity or Shiba Eternity. The free-to-play card game has already hit the app stores in some regions, and the number of downloads on Google Play, look at this, exceeds 10,000 in one day. Now, in total stats, the number of SHIB holders has increased by 171,763 since July, where 104,200 have been added only since the beginning of September. As reported by the U today, a sharp increase in the number of SHIB holders took place from September 11th, when more than 90,000 new SHIB wallets appeared in the following 2 weeks. Now that's in comparison, by comparison, the standard weekly growth rate for new SHIB tokens holders is no more than 10,000. Now this thing is growing each and every single day, but today was a historic day for Shiba earning and Shiba Eternity. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, they set records already. I would love to see what happens with SHIB during the bull market and with this game and Shibburn and other things coming down the pipeline. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.